equal to 1, yes or no? Sorry, x square plus y square equal to
A square.
s
Yes.
square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, this is equal to x square plus y square equal to a square. So this is nothing but the equation of circle. So at that time, if a equal to b, it will be a rectangle and it will be a circle. For a equal to b, it will be a rectangle and it will be exact circle. Yes or no? Instead of 2a to b, you can write 2a both side 2a. That is nothing but it is the right now the circle is enclosed within the square, with where the side of the square is 2a. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Most of the in general in semester, or if it is an online examination, then they can ask for this kind of MCQ. So what are the necessary, maybe 2 marks for 1 mark, what are the necessary condition for get a pattern of circle? So the answer should be first one, at pi by delta should be the phase difference should be pi by 2, and a particular value a equal to b, and most importantly they are acting perpendicular to each other. Or if there is a normal not MCQ, normal short answer type question, if they ask you what is the condition for to get a geometrical pattern of circle, then you will say that when the two SHM which are acting perpendicularly to each other at a phase difference of pi by 2 and at a particular value, that is a equal to b, then we will get a circle. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen? Write it down. What will happen if we go for case number 4? What will happen if we go for case number 4? Case number 4, I am not writing here. So case number 4, instead of pi by 2, if I go for 3 pi by 2, write it down here on copy and tell me. Case number 4, if it is 3 pi by 2, what will be the value of cos theta and what will be the value of sin theta? If I go for 3 pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2, what will be the value of cos theta and what will be sin theta? What will be the cos 3 pi by 2 and what will be sin 3 pi by 2? Sin square 3 pi by 2. Anyone?
Sir, cos to 0, sin 1.
Obviously, it will be same, like cos will be 0 and sin will be 1. Okay, yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You should take this much of time for this kind of simple calculation. If you are still taking this kind of time for this kind of simple calculation, don't read any kind of first year book. Just go for the basic mathematics first for 1 week. Just try to understand every mathematics, then come here. Otherwise, if you are taking so much time to calculate all these things, it will be horrible for you. Okay. So my point is that, look at this. So what is the condition? Delta equal to 3 pi by 2, cos delta will be 0 and sin square delta equal to 1. So if I put here, what will be the equation then? So obviously it will repeat the same equation. Yes or no?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why I have not erased it. That's why
স্যার
I have,
ডেল্টা ইকুয়ালস টু n পাই বাই 2 এর জন্য তাহলে সবই তো এক হবে তাহলে
okay, but hold on. But there is some problem. What is the problem?
অড মাল্টিপল অফ পাই বাই 2
But the problem is that odd multiple of pi by 2, it will be obviously it will be an ellipse, and then at that particular condition it will be circle. But if we plot the experimental values here, for 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, sorry, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, and this number, that is the one after one interval. That case it will be in opposite direction. Okay, that is in anti-clockwise. How can we get that? If we put the point one by one at a time, or on the experimentally observed value, if we put the value one at a time, then we will get this kind of pattern. So remember one thing: for pi by 2, it was clockwise. For pi by 2, it was clockwise. For 3 pi by 2, it will be anti-clockwise. It will be this is known as anti-clockwise. This and clockwise and anti-clockwise direction we can only achieve if we plot graphically the resultant at one point at a time, then we will get the direction of this one. So got my point? For pi by 2 it will be clockwise, but it will be ellipse, and at a particular value it will be circle. At 3 pi by 2, it will be again ellipse at a particular value, it will be circle, but for 3 pi by 2, it will be anti-clockwise, and for pi by 2, it will be clockwise. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I extend this amount, can you tell me if it is 3 pi by 4, that is at 45 degree, can you tell me what will happen? Can you tell me if it is delta equal to 45 degree? If delta equal to 45 degree? If delta equal to
So দুটো
45,
1 by root 2 হয়ে যাবে।
then again it will be ellipse, so don't worry, just give me 1 second. Guys, just give me 1 minute. The dusting process is very interesting. Okay. Okay. So this is case number 5. At 45 degree, what will happen? If we achieve this one, if we put the value of cos delta, if you put the value of sin delta, in both cases you will find, if you plot the value of delta is at 45 degree, and if you plot this one at 45 degree, you will find this one. You will find this one that in both cases you will achieve. That is the ellipse also. This is the simple home task. Maybe they will not give you in the exam, but you can check this one. Okay. So case number 5 is already done. Case number 6, final one. That if the value of delta equal to 2 pi, if the value of delta equal to 2 pi, if the value of delta equal to 2 pi, then what will happen? If the value of delta equal to 2 pi, what will happen? If the value
তো
of,
cosটা 1 হবে আর sinটা 0।
Sin 0, sir.
then what does it mean? If it is cos delta is equal to 1, then this means what will happen? This means cos delta equal to 0, cos delta equal to 0, 1, and sin delta equal to 0. Then what will happen? Can we achieve this equation? Y equal to x by a, y equal to b by a into x, yes or no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the-
Yes, sir.
এটা তো
Equation of straight line. Sir, first case side.
হ্যাঁ ফার্স্ট কেস 0 এর জন্য।
Thank you so much for understanding this one. So look at this, when there is, we are repeating the same thing, then after 2 pi, as it is an SHM, so it will after 2 pi things, then it will come to the same point. So we are getting the same case, whatever we have achieved for the case number 1. So look at this, that is this is delta equal to 2 pi and delta equal to 0, that is nothing but same case. Yes or no? That is, it is moving in the first quadrant and second quadrant. First quadrant and third quadrant. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, that means all cases are repeating after 2 pi.
Obviously.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So my point is, so this is the point. Okay. Now write it down. Now write it down in your copy. The geometrical figures obtained by the superposition of two SHM acting perpendicular to each other is known as Lissajous figure or Lissajous figure. Lissajous figure or Lissajous figure. Okay, Lissajous figure or Lissajous figure. Who is there with mic is on? So that's me. Okay. No issue. Okay, so I'm repeating once again. The geometrical figure or the pattern produced due to the superposition of two or more SHM which is acting perpendicular to each other, known as the Lissajous figure or Lissajous figure. Is it clear to everyone? So whatever you have observed straight line, whatever you have observed ellipse, whatever you have observed circle, all are nothing but the Lissajous figure. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my
Yes,
point,
sir.
बोलो बोलो कौन, anyone? Okay.
No, no.
क्या बोलो, कुछ बोलो, say.
No, sir, no.
Okay, thank you so much. So this is nothing but we call Lissajous figure. So now just listen carefully. Now, so if you when you will perform the second year experiment in the electronics department, then we will see some cathode ray oscilloscope or CRO. So in that CRO, you can check whether when we are adding, suppose we are getting one sinusoidal in around this direction and another in y direction, then they will superimpose and they will produce this kind of geometrical pattern. If I told you that you have to wait for up to second year, then we will say that it is, how can we realize this one? Okay, for I don't have any kind of provision, but I can show you an YouTube. I'll show you an YouTube video where you can check this one. But it is not exact. You can feel it right now, but it is not possible to show you as the experimental setup is not done yet. So I'll share this one. Look at this. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so my point is that look at this. This is nothing but called the oscilloscope, where you can check the pattern or you can check the pattern of the waveform or the current, voltage, and any other things. Okay, right now there are two channels, channel number 1 and this is CH1, and channel number 2. Channel number 1 and channel number 2 is nothing but in two channel you can put two waves or two inputs there. Okay, so you can consider there is a button called X and Y. If you consider this is an X, if you can consider this is an Y, or vice versa. And there is also button XY at a single time. So if you prove the X and Y's both at a time, then they will give the same this pattern. Okay, at a time. Right now, if I move this one, right now look at this. This is nothing but the sinusoidal wave. Sinusoidal, whatever we have taken is a sinusoidal sine wave. You can go for the triangular wave. You can go for all this kind of wave. So this is nothing but you can check this one. This is not this is simple. If they are just changing the frequency of this one, there is the division. It is not the same. So it is one ray. So you can change that is not the case. So I am moving forward. So this is one. So this is just one. You can check everything. That is what is the time period, what is the value, what is this one. Okay. Just give me. Sorry. There is I think there is a place where I can check this one. There is a 2 button. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay. Just look at this one. This is nothing but here you can check. This is on number 2. Okay. So let's look at this person. You can check this one. There are second. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
there are
sir.
two channels. There are two channels. They have introduced two sinusoidal wave in two channels. One is X and one is Y. Okay, one is X. Now they press the X and Y button in the same time. Okay, so that they can superpose. Okay, so when they superpose, they are not superposed yet. So it all same, amplitude same, frequency same, but they can be in same phase. Don't worry. But they will also give rise to same phase. They will also give rise to the straight line. So when this is all in same, look at this. You can't differentiate between two. Everything is same. Okay. So if you go for the XY button, if you press the XY button, then you will realize, okay, what now? Just one. Yeah. If we press the XY button, you will say for delta equal to 0. Look at this. This is nothing but a straight line. Okay. Now this way he will show you that this is one. This is nothing but whatever he is showing. This is that we have tried with the different sine wave. You can change the frequency. You can change the period. It is not required for your purpose. It is not required. Right now, look at this. This is the movement of the straight line. Yes or no? This is nothing but the SHM which are moving in the straight line. Yes or no? What my
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am repeating once again, maybe for this one. Look at this, the movement of the SHM. Is it clear? Is it clear to
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this way you can get, this is channel 1 and channel 2. Yeah, both are fixed. Now, So I'll not take much time here. So as I have to go for this one, this you can change the direction of the SHM also. Direction also of the SHM also, it will be a straight line. After that, it will be, if you change this one, it will be circle also. Just give me, it will be okay. Right now the will change the in opposite direction. Look at this. The SHM in the opposite direction. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this one is a circle, I think. Okay. So by this way, you can check all these Lissajous figure in the whatever I say in the oscilloscope. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. ট্র্যাজেক্টরিতে
Yes,
ঘুরছে
sir.
স্যার বলছি যেটা এলিপসের ট্র্যাজেক্টরিতে ঘুরছে ওটা দেখা যাবে
এই তো দেখ করছে
এইটা ও কোনটা
আগেরটাই তো বেলা দেখো ভালো করে
আচ্ছা এইটা ওকে স্যার
Is it clear? Okay.
হ্যাঁ यस স্যার
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chalo. Chalo. So these are the nothing but the you can check it will create the different pattern also. Say for this one also. Okay. So you can check it. So is it very simple? So I am okay. Sorry, I think I have just stopped the video sharing. So maybe just give me 1 second.
Sir, Lissajous is the name of the scientist who made this method.
Okay. Is it clear to everyone how they Aditya? Look at this. This is nothing but listen. This is nothing but this one. Okay. So this is also ellipse. Is it clear?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sure. So I am stopping the video here. I am stopping the video here. Okay. And is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in oscilloscope, how is the value of delta changing? Means
So I am coming one second. What is the last question? Someone asked me what is the Lissajous? What is it?
Yes, sir. I was asking, is Lissajous the name of the scientist or anything else?
No, first of all, no. It is. I think it is. I forgot the name. It is Boundich. I think it was who is invented. But Andrea Lissajous, who have explained all these kind of phenomena in more detail. He is Lissajous was the inventor of this one. I think Brownich or I forgot the exact name. Either the Brownich or Browning is the name of the scientist who invented this one. But Andre Lissajous had explained this one properly. Okay, but you don't have to remember that. This is not a history class. Okay. So what is the next question? What is the next question? Anyone?
sir, in oscilloscope, how is the value of delta changing?
Renita, in oscilloscope there is a provision that is called function generator, in which from where you can generate the function. That is whether it will be sinusoidal, it will be some triangle, it will be cos function like this one. Here, there you can change. If you can change the change two sinusoidal wave with some delay. Okay, so that you can go for the phase difference of this one. Okay. Is it possible? It is very simple. With the help of the function generator, you can change that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether there will be online exam or offline exam. So if it is an online exam, this is the end of this Lissajous figure and everything. Now, if it is an offline exam, I can't check right now. Can't say anything right now. So if it is an offline exam, maybe they can ask you. If it is an offline exam, it's extra. If you are sure at the time of the examination, this is an offline exam. If online exam, you can exclude this one. But they can ask you this kind of question also. What will happen if two SHM are acting perpendicular to each other, but right now they don't have the same frequency. They have different frequency. Say for 1:2, 2:3, like this one. What will happen? So if it is an offline exam, they can ask you this kind of complex question. There are two SHM. They are perpendicular to each other. This side is perpendicular to each other, but their frequency is 1:2. What will happen? Obviously, they will create the Lissajous figure as they are acting perpendicular to each other. So, how to proceed this kind of equation? Say for this one, x equal to a sin omega t. A sin omega t. Then perpendicular. Then y equal to say different amplitude b
ওমেগা 1 আর ওমেগা 2 হয়ে যাবে।
sin 2 omega t. Yes or no?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now obviously how to proceed this one? X by a equal to sin omega t. And you can write it down y by b equal to sin 2 omega t. I think at this age you are right now expert with the sin 2 theta. How to, this is sin 2 omega t cos delta. Then you can go for sin 2 omega t at the in the form of sin 2 theta. Yes or no? If you sin
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so if you calculate in the same manner, finally you will get an equation of loop. For that time the resultant will be like this one. Okay, you don't have to remember this one, but how to proceed you can tell this one. This kind of loop. Okay. As far as I can remember, if you calculate this one, the resultant. Okay, you can calculate. Otherwise, I have to. Okay, I will give you the. This is maybe you can go for the home task. Maybe this will be the resultant will be like this. Y by t equal to sin delta. It will be more or less same. You can easily remember y by delta into sin square plus I think it will come 4x square a square like this one. 4x square a square into sin square. If it is sin delta, then means it will be the same term will remain y by b sin delta 1 minus something. Okay, y by b sin delta minus 1 plus x square by a square equal to 0. I think this kind of equation will come. Maybe I am wrong, but no. Just checking y by b sin minus sin delta 1. No, I think I am correct. Whatever I have written, this will be the final expression. You can check it. You can check in your home. This maybe you can go. If it is an offline exam, this kind of examination they can ask you. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
জাস্ট ইকুয়েশনটা
Yes,
নামাতে
sir.
হবে।
Sorry.
জাস্ট ইকুয়েশনটা নামাতে হবে।
Right now. Okay. But this kind of question they generally give out of, if you are unlucky enough, then they can give you maybe for, I think I saw this kind of question out of 10 years, 2 years or 3 years. So, okay. Almost, we are at almost the end of this simple harmonic motion. So right now, maybe few typical sum will perform here so that you can understand more SHM more properly and you can realize this one.
Sir.
Just give me one. You can ekhane dekhe. Just watch the Okay. Thank you. Okay, this is the problem with 9:30 class. Nobody is at perfect time, so I have to go for this. Okay, chalo. So what is the question? Next question. Hey, anyone?
Sir, what is the importance of Lissajous pattern?
What is the importance of Lissajous pattern? All this, whenever, what is the importance of Lissajous pattern? This is nothing. This is very, very crucial thing. So this is very, very crucial to understand the behavior of the oscillation, behavior of the electronic property. Okay. So suppose if you got Lissajous figure of pattern, Lissajous of circle, you can easily say that there are two sinusoidal wave which are there must be two sinusoidal wave which are acting perpendicular to each other with a phase difference of pi by 2. Okay, if in next second year when you will understand the electronics, that is the analog electronics, then you will find out the application of the Lissajous figure very, very prominently. Okay, is it clear to say?
Okay, sir.
So right now we'll go for few new sums. Okay, few typical sums from this one. You have to realize that this kind of sums is very common for this semester, and so that understanding is very, very crucial. Problem number 1. this is not the sum, you can say in your framework it is a derivation. Suppose problem number 1. Suppose this is a pendulum. This is a pendulum. This pendulum have a mass of m, and this is the angle theta. This is the angle theta, and the length is this is L. Okay. So the question number 1 is that if the pendulum is like this, pendulum is moving like this, tell me, or how can we tell that this pendulum is showing an SHM? Got my point? So this picture is given. How can we check that whatever the motion that is this pendulum is moving in a simple harmonic motion, or this pendulum is showing a simple harmonic motion? Anyone? How to proceed? Anyone? How to proceed?
Sir, it has amplitude.
It has amplitude. What does it mean? If it is an Alan, it's a poor, very, very poor answer. Maybe if you are
So restoring force.
just hold on. Alan, it's a poor answer. Why? Suppose x equal to something like a cos square, sin square, z square, like this one. This has an amplitude. Do you know whether this is a SHM or not? Every oscillation has some amplitude. How can you say that as this has amplitude, this is an SHM? So it's a poor statement.
আর এক্সট্রিম পজিশনে গেলে ভেলোসিটি 0 হবে, আবার মেইন পজিশনে ভেলোসিটি নন জিরো, এরকম করে বলতে পারি।
Who told you?
Sir, we will take the components of L sin theta, L cos theta, then take the resultant.
Then what will happen?
Then that is the amplitude, and then we can calculate.
What should we calculate?
Sir, F equals to ma দিয়ে হবে?
Huh?
F equals to ma মানে m d2 by
করে কি হবে? How can you prove that someone is some motion is SHM or not?
Sir, restoring force
minus omega square x
restoring
হবে।
force টা mg এর component mg sin theta.
What? No, Anushrita, I am not saying you to solve it. Now, what is the point? How can you prove that this is an SHM or not?
Sir,
Sir,
force is
acceleration minus
proportional
omega
to
square x.
the
Thank you.
displacement.
This should be the answer. So either you have to prove this one, force is proportional to minus of given, or if you achieve this equation, e2h dt square plus omega square h equal to 0, that is nothing but simple harmonic motion, we can achieve this one. Yes or no? Got my point? Alan, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So by some way, by who can prove, if we achieve these two equations, we can surely say that this is showing SHM. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So right now, whatever Renita said, if I take the component, this is mg, and this is same nothing but mg cos theta, and this is nothing but what is the component here? This is mg sin theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It says this amount is x. This is x amount. Okay. So what is the restoring force here? What is the restoring force here? That is nothing but
mg sin theta.
So
And
and
sin.
just one hold on. So the restoring force is mg sin theta. Yes or no? Mg sin theta. Yes or no? F equal to mg sin theta. Do you agree with this one with a negative sign? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Sagnik, why the negative value? Why the negative sign is here? Sagnik, why the negative value is here? Sagnik, what the negative value is here? Sagnik Bhattacharya, Sagnik Bhattacharya का नाम बोलेगा. Sottam Bhattacharya. What is why the negative value is here?
Sir, what is the negative value?
Why the negative sign is here? Don't do that. Initially I was believing you, but right now after few classes I don't goes with you. Okay, anyone? Why the negative sign is here?
Sir, because
opposing
it
is in opposite
direction. Look,
Opposite direction to each other.
Sottam, this is the consequence. If you attend the class properly, then it's a good way. Okay, so it is obvious that this restoring force try to bring back the particle to its original position. You are reading this statement obvious, okay, from the very beginning. Now, as I said in the very beginning, this kind of pendulum is, the motion is not too violent. Can we transform the sine theta, as the theta is of the order of 4 degrees, say, or less than that? Can I take this one, sine theta equal to theta? Yes or no? Can I write this one, sine theta equal to theta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Sir,
then-
instead of sine theta, we cannot put x by l, like replacing sine theta with x by l or something like that.
that's why I have put minus. This theta is nothing but x by s. Okay, you can put this one. Okay, is it clear to everyone? I will put this one sine
Yes.
theta. You can put from here also. If this is theta, this is x, so this is x by s. Okay, so I am erasing all this. So what is the displacement? Displacement is by this. Now what is the value of x then? What is the value of f then? The mass is m.
In this case-
Displacement is 1. Can I write this one? M d2x dt2. dt2 is equal to minus of mgx by l. Yes or no? Agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
M cancel out. What is the value then? d2x. Can I write this one? Can I write this one? d2x dt2 plus g by l into x equal to 0. G is a constant term, L is a constant term. Can I write this one? d2x dt2 plus omega square x equal to 0. Now look at this, whether it's a SHM or not. Whether it's a SHM
Yes,
or
sir.
not.
Yes, sir.
So this is an SHM where omega is nothing but root over G by L. Now look at this. If I go for same, ask you what is the time period? What is the time period? T equal to
2 by
Root over
root x by acceleration.
L by G.
L by G.
L by g, yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the time period of a simple pendulum. Okay, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, maybe I can ask you this kind of question, or I don't know whether I can remember or not. I have asked you or not. If this is the time period of a simple pendulum, from this equation, can you tell me what is the time period of an infinite length pendulum? Can you tell me what will be the time period of an infinite length pendulum? What is the time
Infinite
period
pendulum
of
টা
a
কি?
pendulum? Infinite length pendulum.
Zero.
Anyone? Is there any other?
স্যার
answer?
ইনফাইনাইট পেন্ডুলামটা কি?
Zero.
Infinite pendulum
Yes,
means
sir,
the length
zero.
of the pendulum is infinite.
Zero.
Sir, zero.
Yeah.
It is zero.
The time period will be
ইনফাইনাইট হবে
undefined.
তো।
Just
Zero.
Raj, what is the answer?
Sir, undefined, sir.
Undefined. Okay.
স্যার মানে ইনফাইনাইট হবে।
Infinite.
Undefined হবে।
एक मिनट. So मेरा problem है. This is SOM class, and every SOM question will be like this in the internal and the semester. So my point is that this, whatever you are saying, this is a poor statement. The answer should be 84 minutes per second. I think 84 of the order. Can you tell me why? Anyone? From this equation, it will not be proved. From this problem, it is the extension of this problem, it is not the exact extension, but you can check this one. How to check this one? So can you remember from where this equation come? In this equation, remember one thing, we neglect the term 1 by r, yes or no? Radius of Earth.
Yes, sir.
ও
Yes, sir.
But for infinite length pendulum, for infinite, if L equal to infinity, can I ignore this one?
না না না।
We can only ignore 1 by L, but we have to put the 1 by R value. So just go back to your class 12 days. In the gravitational chapter, it is written 1 at a time, or for simple pendulum, it will be root over 1 by G by 1 by L, and at this time 1 by R plus 1 by L, where right now as 1 by infinity, this will be 0, but you have to consider 1 by r. If you consider the radius of the arc, then it will become 24.
Sir,
Got my
I did
point?
not understand.
So you have not read the class 12 properly, that's why. Go back to your class 12 gravitation chapter. In that gravitation chapter, you can check this is only valid, this equation is only valid if you consider 1 by r equal to 0, yes or no? Anushrita, got my point?
So what we are putting 1 by r?
1 by is the radius of r.
No, sir. Means what we are
Radius of
substituting as
r.
1 by r. We are putting L by G equals to 1 by
We are
r.
not substituting. In this equation, you are getting 1 by g into 1 by of L. This kind of equation, 1 by of L and 1 by of r. This kind of equation comes generally.
Okay, sir.
So in this equation, if for the simple pendulum, we have to ignore a radius of the simple pendulum means maybe hard one. 1 meter, 2 meter, yes or no? Then 1 by r, radius of the arc. So we will ignore this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, now for infinite pendulum, which ones I should neglect?
So
For
infinity.
infinite
আরটাকে নিতে হবে
1 by
L,
L is
1 by L
that time equation will be modified instead of
2 by root over
R by G.
So equation will be modified 2 by root over r by g. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got my point?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
বুঝতে পারলে?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Understood? মেরেই ফেলবো ক্লাস কিচ্ছু পড়োনি কেউ ওই অনলাইন এক্সাম হয়ে গেছে বলে বেঁচে গেছে so this kind of question can come so the last question for the day as I have already second class but maybe I have to show you otherwise you will not get this kind of okay so problem number 2 simple as say there is a YouTube not YouTube in which you watch all these kind of video but some of this kind of YouTube is there okay this kind of YouTube is there. Okay, initially both are obviously the length of the water is fixed, and this is L, and this is L. Okay, and this bending is a negligible one, so you can ignore this one. Now, whatever I push the liquid by X amount, say by X amount, this amount, by this amount, by say this amount, by X. If I push this amount, water by say for one
তার নিচের দিকে
this one উপরের দিকে কি করে পড়ছে
ঠিক আছে
so then and release the pressure from there then we can check that the motion is like this one can you check that how it is the SHM is happening here can you check that how SHM is happening here
স্যার এফ এর ওই এক্সএডিজি ফর্মুলাটা
okay again the approach should be same I have to prove dq x plus omega square x equal to 0 this one or f equal to minus of k now tell me how the restoring force comes into play how the from where the restoring force is coming
ওটা
from
viscous
where the
force
restoring force is coming
pressure
ডিসপ্লেসমেন্টটা হচ্ছে
again
স্যার ফ্রম রাইট সাইড
displacement Rinita, go ahead.
হওয়ার জন্য স্যার ফ্রম রাইট সাইড
Sir, the extra water which rises in the YouTube,
Extra
water which rises in one column of the YouTube.
one. Thank you, Alan. Right now you are okay. So my point is that whatever Alan is saying, so initially it was length A. So right now you press this one by X amount. So initially it was, so sorry. It is better if I draw this one more. Say for this one, right now initially this was both arm, say at both arm that is was L. This is L. Now if I put this one by X amount, but if I lower this by X amount, now tell me in this arm what will be the length? In this arm what will be the length? The length will be 2x amount, it will increase by
2x amount,
If it is going down by X amount, so it is decreased by x amount, so it will be increased by x and another x, then it is 2x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 So in this amount, look at this. The liquid is here at x distance below, but here 2x amount of higher. So this amount of column, this column is responsible or not? This column will bring back the light, again the water at the same position, and it will overshoot and it will come back this position. Got my point?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the responsible one. Now how to
এইটা
find
তো কিছুক্ষণ পর থেমে যাবে।
কি করে কেন থেমে যাবে? কে বলেছে তোমাকে থেমে যাবে?
এটাও হয় না তো বেশিক্ষণ, একটুখানি হয়ে থেমে যায়।
কেন হয় না?
হয় না,
Considering resistance.
হয়ে যায়।
Then you are considered that is the resistance. What? So you are going too far. I'll come back to this point in the next class. That is called the damping one. I am right now. I am going for the all realistic, unrealistic case. That is the ideal case. If there is no.
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
Oh, acha, acha. Okay, so it is the this is say for the sake of the argument that the cross section is alpha and density is rho. Now what is the restraining force? Can I write it down? F is equal to this is 2x.
2x ADG
2x rho g
into
alpha.
rho into g. Yes or no?
হ্যাঁ।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is the 2x amount, cross section alpha, density rho. This one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
So this is displayed by x amount. Can I write this one? M d2x dt2 is equal to minus of 2x alpha rho g. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
হুম।
What is the total mass of the liquid? What is the total mass of the liquid? This is L. This is L. As I have neglected this one, can I say total mass is nothing but 2L alpha rho g? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ।
Now, sorry, 2L alpha rho g can have. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Volume
Yes, sir.
potential.
Yes, sir. Understood.
2L, that is that this L, alpha is the cross section, that is total volume into density.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is equal to d2x dt2 minus is equal to 2x alpha rho g. So can I cancel? How much will cancel? 2 alpha rho, 2, sorry, x will remain, alpha rho cancel out. Can I write it down? d2x dt2 is equal to minus how much?
XG.
Xg. Sorry. So xg?
Yes, sir.
By L.
xg by l.
G by A.
G by l, sir.
So obviously you can take this one, this is omega square. If I take this one, d2x dt2 plus omega square x equal to, yes or no?
Oh, the
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? See, this is the problem. This is one problem. You can go for multiple problems. Say this is a water tank. Inside this is a small cube is floating. Small cube is floating. Like this cube, a sponge or cube. If you press this one like this one and release this one, then you can check that that is also SHM. You can go for the spring balance. Okay, go for this kind of sums. I think it is everywhere in the book, or you can take this kind of sums from internet and check whether this kind you can achieve this kind of form or not. That is, you have to prove this one, everything is showing SHM or not. Okay.
তাহলে তো একটা রাবার ব্যান্ডকে টেনে ছেড়ে দিলে ওরকম হবে।
Exactly how cannot. This kind of problem also. This motion is also SHM. If you have to prove this by this one. Is it clear to everyone? So
Yes, sir.
SHM,
Yes, sir.
so SHM,
Sir, if there is an offline exam, this type of question will come back.
yeah. So SHM part is over. You can go any kind of sums from the question bank. I'll share you the question bank after maybe after 10. You can go for any kind of sums from the book. If you feel that I am not unable to solve any kind of, maybe ask me in the next class. Okay. Thank you so much. See you in the next week. Prior to that, just complete your vector and everything or whatever we have studied. Otherwise, it will be more problematic for you. Okay. So I have already checked who is present or not. Sagnik, next time onwards, you should be present or for the entire class. Otherwise, I will not give you the attendance. or you have to give me the response, then only I can give you the attendance. Okay. Thank you so much.
Sir, is the library open on Saturday?
No, Saturday is my holiday, so I will not come. If you come, you will make contact with the, what I say, only the security guard. बेटा कुछ तो शर्म करो, सैटरडे हम लोग को तो जिंदा रहने दो.
सर लेकिन लाइब्रेरी खुला.
In general that is not open, but okay. Saturday খোলা নেই, আজকে খোলা আছে. বলো আর কিছু?
স্যার এই ইউটিউবের এটা টাইম পিরিয়ডটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট আছে?
টাইম পিরিয়ড নিজে ক্যালকুলেট করো. ইম্পর্টেন্ট সবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট. Why it is not important? Time period is nothing but how much? Time period is nothing but t equal to 2 pi by omega. If you find out the omega, then it is very simple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And sir, superposition of two SHM perpendicular to each other but different frequency, is that important?
বলেই দিলাম, শোনোনি. If it is an offline exam, they can give you, and I told you, out of 10 years, they have given this kind of some 3 times or 2 times.
Okay, sir.
But surely I will not give whatever I have derived or I have discussed here. I will not give this kind of straightforward question. As simple as that. Surely. Okay. You have to understand, then you can give the answer. Then only you can give the answer. Otherwise, no. Okay. Thank you so much. I have one class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.